wondered what that screeching noise was. I noticed this top roller is seized up, so I'll have to take that off and see what's going on. Hopefully it just needs a bit of grease in there. The same thing happened on the other side a couple of years ago, and this one was actually had been left too long and it was sort of all slogged out. The bushings were all worn out and everything, so I had to pull it off and make a sleeve to go inside it to tighten everything up, and I've just put a grease nipple on the outside of it, so that one's all good. It pays to check all the rollers every now and then, because if they stop spinning they soon wear things out. Every now and then I just lift up the side track and make sure everything's spinning freely. A screeching noise like that can be a sign that something's not right, and that's the sound of parts wearing out, so it's best to get onto them as soon as possible. Just try and ease it off on both sides. It should pop out. Alright, so there's 3 Allen bolts holding that in place, so I'll pull those out. Alright, so there's just a little plate holding everything in place. It looks like that seal has gone. Luckily I think I've caught it before it's done any real damage. I think that'll still be okay to use, because it was fairly tight on there, which means it's not too worn out. The bushings are still good, it's just a bit rusty. Yeah, it's like pretty rusty in there. Looks like it's had a bit of moisture in there. I'll just use a bit of steel wool to clean up that shaft, get the rust off it. Oh, that's smooth as silk now. So because there's a bit of the wear on that end seal, I think the oil obviously just leaks out, so I'll drill a hole there and just tap a grease nipple in and just pump a bit of grease through every now and then. And I think that'll keep it going for another 30 years or so. That's still moving nice and freely, so that's good. It's just a bit of a clearance in there between that plate and the bushing, so the grease should squeeze through there okay. That'll do it. should do it. Pump that full of grease now and it should be good to go. Oh yep, that's coming out the back now. So there's no way that would have held oil if it's coming through that easily. I'll just have to pump a bit of grease through every now and then. Just when I grease the everything else, I'll give this a few squirts. So I'll see if it's got rid of that noise. Problem solved. No more horrible noises. If I'd left it like it was, that would have eventually worn the top of the roller flat and started to wear out these chains excessively. So I got it in time, luckily. Nice easy fix. So I'll leave it there for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.